Today's crochet letter of the day is R. If you guys want to learn how to make the letter R, stay tuned. This is the tutorial and it is beginner friendly. All of the letters are beginner friendly. I've already done A through R. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to chain 36 and not this first stitch from the hook. The second stitch, you're going to put a double crochet there. And you're going to put one double crochet in the next 11 stitches. So you should have 12 double crochet in total. Once you have your 12 double crochet, now we're going to double crochet 5 together, okay? So in order to do that, you're going to yarn over, go into your next stitch, insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again, pull through 2, and then you're going to stop there, go into your next stitch, yarn over, go into the stitch, pull through. There's 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through only 2, and you're going to do that same process in each stitch for 3 more times. So at the end, you'll know you have the right number when you have 6 loops on your hook. Okay, so I have 6 loops on my hook. All right, I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, and pull through all 5 of those loops. Okay, now we're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now we're going to double crochet 2 together, okay? So we're going to go in this next stitch, yarn over, insert our hook, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. We got 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, go into the next stitch, insert and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So you'll know you double crochet 2 together once you have 3 loops on your hook, and then you pull through all 3 of those. All right, so since we did it 1 time already, we're going to do it 5 more times. So you will have 2 double crochets together in total. All right, so you have 3 stitches left, and you're just going to put 1 double crochet in those 3 stitches. From here, we're going to go ahead and form our P. So you're going to start from the top stitch up here, and you can count down 4 stitches and slip stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's where I'm going to slip stitch. So again, from this top part of our P, count down 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's where I will slip stitch. Make sure your yarn over here that you're working with is on top of your work. Okay, and then we have 2 more stitches over here to slip stitch down. Sorry, you guys. So I just like to fold my P in half to make it easier for me to see the stitches, and then I'm just going to slip stitch those 2 stitches on both sides together. This creates a P. I've already showed you guys how to make a P, but here goes another chance to learn. Okay. So now to make an R, we're going to turn our P upside down. So we're going to turn it this way. And we're going to start looking at these stitches right here. And in that first stitch, you're going to create a single crochet. So just find the very first stitch. So I see mine right here. And in that first stitch, make a single crochet. In the next stitch, make a half double crochet. And in the next stitch, make a double crochet. Okay, so now you have this little small triangle part right here. Now you're going to chain 7. Okay, And then not this first stitch, but in the second stitch, we're going to put a double crochet. Then we're going to put a double crochet in each stitch going up. So in total, you will have 6 double crochet. Okay, so once you've had your 6 double crochet, you're going to go back into this last double crochet we made before doing our chains. And that's where you're going to put a slip stitch. And this makes your R. And then you're going to chain 1 and cut, leaving a short tail to weave in. I'm not going to weave anything in for the video purpose. I'm just going to cut off my tails. And your R is complete. Remember to block your letters.